replace humans. Let's discuss some myth versus reality that I bet going on your head. Let's get started. Myth number one, AI will replace jobs. Reality, AI is a tool, not a threat. It enhances human capabilities and opens new opportunities. Collaboration is the future. Myth number two is AI is perfect. Reality, AI is powerful but not flawless. It learns from data and data can have biases. Continuous improvement is the key. Myth number three is AI understands context like humans. Reality is that AI lacks comprehension. It processes data and patterns. Myth number four is AI is a self-learning. No, reality is that AI learns from manual training. Supervised learning is common. Human intelligence shapes AI. Myth number five, and my favorite one, that AI can think and feel emotions. No, AI lacks emotions and consciousness. It mimics responses based on patterns. Human emotions remain unparalleled. Are you curious about artificial intelligence? Share your AI facts given below and let's learn together.